Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Cloves, those aromatic, dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, aren't just culinary treasures. They're tiny powerhouses of health benefits. These small, brown spikes have been used for centuries in various cultures, not only to add a burst of flavor to cuisines but also for their medicinal properties. However, as with any potent ingredient, moderation and awareness are crucial. Let's explore the multifaceted world of cloves and understand when they should be celebrated and when approached with caution. Cloves originate from the evergreen clove tree, native to Indonesia but now cultivated in various tropical regions. These dried buds are rich in essential oils, especially eugenol, which gives them their distinctive aroma and therapeutic potential. The historical significance of cloves, those tiny aromatic buds, is as rich and intricate as their flavor. Spanning centuries and crossing continents, cloves have left an indelible mark on cultures, trade routes, and culinary traditions. Today, cloves continue to be an integral part of global cuisine. Their historical significance is embedded in the dishes of various cultures, from spiced chai in India to holiday recipes in Western traditions. Clove oil, derived from the buds, is utilized in perfumes, toothpaste, and traditional medicine. In essence, the historical journey of cloves mirrors the evolution of human civilization, trade, and appreciation for the flavors and potential health benefits that nature offers. Cloves are not just culinary staples. They are aromatic time travelers, weaving tales of cultural exchange and historical splendor. Number 1. Dental dynamo. Cloves have long been celebrated for their role in oral health. Eugenol, with its analgesic and antiseptic properties, makes cloves a traditional remedy for toothaches and gum issues. Number 2. Digestive aid. Cloves, with their carminative properties, help ease digestive discomfort. They can be beneficial for issues like bloating and indigestion. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory agent. The compounds in cloves exhibit anti-inflammatory effects, making them potentially useful in managing inflammatory conditions. Number 4. Rich in antioxidants. Cloves are laden with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, contributing to overall health and well-being. Number 5. Potential blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that cloves may assist in managing blood sugar levels, offering potential benefits for individuals with diabetes. While cloves offer a bouquet of benefits, there are instances when caution is warranted. Number 1. Blood thinning effect. Cloves contain eugenol, which may have blood thinning properties. Individuals on blood thinning medications should exercise caution and consult healthcare providers. Number 2. Allergic reactions. Allergic reactions to cloves are rare but possible. If there's a known allergy, it's crucial to avoid cloves and related products. Number 3. Gastrointestinal issues. In some cases, the potent compounds in cloves might lead to gastrointestinal discomfort. Excessive consumption should be avoided, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. Number 4. Dental caution. While cloves are celebrated for dental benefits, excessive use or direct application to the teeth can lead to issues like gum irritation. Number 6. Skin sensitivity. Applying clove oil directly to the skin can sometimes cause irritation or an allergic reaction. It's possible to dilute clove oil with a carrier oil before tropical application. In culinary delights, cloves shine. Whether in spiced chai, holiday recipes, or savory dishes. Their medicinal potential is vast, but like any remedy, the key is balance. For those considering cloves for therapeutic purposes, especially in concentrated forms or supplements, seeking guidance from healthcare professionals ensures a nuanced and safe approach. In the grand tapestry of nature's offerings, cloves stand as both a culinary delight and a herbal remedy. Respectful and mindful consumption lets us savor their essence without compromising well-being. In this aromatic journey through the benefits and side effects of cloves, we've uncovered a tapestry of flavors, histories, and potential considerations. Cloves, with their rich cultural heritage and medicinal allure, are truly a spice of multifaceted dimensions. As you begin incorporating cloves into your culinary and wellness pursuits, remember the key lies in moderation. While cloves bring a burst of flavor and potential health perks, it's crucial to be mindful of individual sensitivities and consult with healthcare professionals if needed. Whether you're savoring a spiced dish or seeking the potential medicinal benefits, cloves remain a captivating addition to our spice racks and holistic wellness practices. As you spice up your life, may it be a journey filled with aroma, taste, and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this aromatic expedition. If you found this exploration enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.